Okay, here's my Bedini setup. Um, Pretty standard stuff. I've just got all my components in a box right there. Uh, that hole is where uh, my neon bulb is right beneath that. Um, got a little pilot light to give me an indication of my base voltage, and there's my 1K precision pot, and everything else is standard. The coil's about 450 turns, 2 inches diameter, 1/2 inch core with a number 40 ferrite rod, and the coil length is 3 inches. The trigger is number 26, and the run the run coil is number 23. Um, I've got 3 gel cells here. Um, I'm using this bigger 12 volt as my run battery, and I'm charging 2 7 amp hour 12 volt gel cells. But here's what I noticed that was strange. My voltmeter was reading 8.6, and it was about every minute or so it would climb 0.1 volt, and it was steadily going up, which was fine. It wasn't charging very fast, but it was charging both batteries. The rotor is about 6 inches diameter. The bearing that it's on is an old AC blower motor, and there's 6 neodymium magnets. I countersunk into the rubber of the wheel so they wouldn't fly out. Glued them in there. But anyway, here's what I found strange. I often use a little passive coil with an LED, just toy around. And as I was saying, my battery voltage, which is I got the 2 in parallel, and so I've just got the leads in parallel with both batteries on charge. It was staying around 8.6 volts, slowly climbing to 8.61, 8.62, so on, until I took the passive coil, got it near the magnets, generating a field in here, causing a current induced voltage, and the LED's lighting up pretty bright. And ever since I've done that, and I'm hoping somebody can explain this, now it's climbing about 0.01 volt about every 20-30 seconds. I'll stay here for a second on the voltmeter. In fact, I'll put the LED. I'm holding the LED up above, energizing that coil from the passing magnets, and this seems to have some strange effect on the charging capacity. If somebody can figure this out, give me a reason why. I wish I could have caught it in the act, but it was just sitting steady around 8.6 until I brought this inductor with the LED and got the LED to light. The only thing I can think of is maybe somehow there was eddy currents that got captured by the rotating magnets, and somehow that got transferred back into the Bedini coil. Is that possible? I don't know. All I know is this thing shot up of 1 volt. It went from 8.66 to 9 point something. It jumped 1 volt. I mean, immediately. As soon as I brought this inductor, an LED, and if I hold it here, it seems to charge faster, but I mean, even when I take it away, it's now charging faster than it originally was. So if anybody's got any idea of what might be going on there, if I might be thinking in the right direction about the coil producing or the magnetic field of this coil producing some sort of eddy currents that are somehow transferred to the magnets and then back into the coil, I don't know. Comments would be welcome on this phenomenon, and as soon as I get my setup cleaned up some more, I may post some other videos. I do have another Bedini setup with a smaller rotor, and actually I think it's a bit more efficient. But anyway, that'll conclude this. Any ideas, let me know.